Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. My name is Lizarazu Likharis. I will explain about how to soldering. Soldering is a process in which two or more metal items are joined together by melting and then flowing a film of filler metal into the joint. The filler metal having a relatively low melting point. Soldering is used to form a permanent connection between electronic components. The metal to be soldered is heated with a soldering iron and then soldered is melted into the connection. Then, material and equipment. First, a soldering iron. Second, rosin solder. Third, stand on which to hold the iron soldering. For prototype board, five flux solder, and 6 component. Preparing the soldering iron. First, place the soldering iron it is stand and plug it in. Second, wait for the soldering iron to heat up. Third, melt a little solder on the tip of the iron. Fourth, the tip of the soldering iron should be a shiny filler color. If it is black and pitted, replace it with a new one. How to soldering. First, solder needs a clean surface on which to adhere. Second, set the component on the prototype board. Third, keep the soldering tip on the connection as the solder is active. 4. Remove the tip from 4. Don't move the connection while the solder is cooling. Next, wet the tip of the iron on a damp flux to clean it. The tip should now be shiny. Next, unplug the soldering iron when it is not in use. Enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.